Today we have the MonsGeek M1V5 in the white on white finish with some black accents. This is a compact 75% keyboard that promises premium build quality, gasket mounted feel, and a very clean aesthetic for your desk setup. I've been testing it for the past month, and in this video we're going to see if it actually delivers and is value for money. Let's get right into it. Starting with the unboxing experience, MonsGeek did not scrimp here, and it is one of the most premium keyboard unboxing experiences that I have had. The box has an outer sleeve, and once you open the box, it's covered with a premium sheet that says MonsGeek, and under that is foam, and then you have a dust cover over the keyboard. And inside the box, it comes with a coiled detachable USB cable, USB A to C, a switch puller, a keycap puller, and 3 spare cilantro switches, which is what I've gone for this particular model. That's a nice touch for the quick swaps or to keep as spares. And overall, the packing feels thoughtful and protected for shipping, and it really does set you off to a good start when you've spent this much money on a keyboard. So let's get into the build quality and design of the keyboard. First impressions, this thing just feels premium. The CNC aluminium case gives it weight and zero flex. The black on white keycap set is crisp and very easy to read, and the black and silver bezel adds a classy contrast that works with almost any setup. Layout wise, it's a 75% keyboard, so you have a full row of functions plus arrows and navigation keys, but this is much more desk friendly than a full-size keyboard, for example. It's tactile, minimal, and it's very photogenic, and it will look great in your setup if you have a plain white setup or a black one even. There are also tons of different styles that you can get it on, and of course you can customize your keycaps. Next up, we have the switches. So the M1V5 offers Akko cilantro switches or the Akko mirror switches as options currently. Both are solid choices depending on what you want. So for the Akko cilantro, the one that's in this keyboard, they're smooth, they're slightly tactile, they're great if you want that feedback without it being loud. Then you have the Akko mirror switch. They are crisp and fast, they're great for someone who likes a snappy responsive feel, and the board ships with pre-lubed stabilizers and a gasket mount design, which helps dampen the ping and adds a soft cushion type feeling. Here's a raw sound test so you can hear just what that sounds like. Moving on to the features and the customization with this keyboard. So this keyboard is hot swappable, so you can swap out the switches without soldering with the tool attached. It supports QMK and VIA for remapping. It has south facing RGB lighting, and let me just tell you, this is some of the brightest RGB lights I've seen in a keyboard. They're always visible, and they are so much better than other keyboards I have here at my desk. It comes with foam layers pre-installed. You also get that detachable USB-C to A coil cable. It's not braided, but it's still cool that it's coiled and comes with the keyboard. I don't need to use it. I'm using the tri-mode connectivity. I have it connected via Bluetooth to my Mac Mini. You can pair it super quick to all your different devices using the shortcuts on the keyboard. You can also adjust all the different lighting using different key functions that are all included in the manual. Now, it has its software of its own as well that you can install and customize various other things on the keyboard. I couldn't get it working during my time testing this, but that's likely because I'm on a Mac. But if you put that to one side, as I said, everything can be done with different key functions on the keyboard itself. It also comes with a programmable volume knob, which is really cool and really handy if you're listening to music and don't want to reach across your desk to turn up your speakers, or if you have headphones on and just want to make a quick adjustment. It's a small feature, but it's really, really nice. It also features the ball catch system, which means you can quickly detach the entire platform and break it down and work on it, change things out as you may see fit. I'm not that kind of person when it comes to keyboards, so I'm leaving it in its stock form. I find it perfect as it is. So who is this keyboard for, and is it value for money? So for the current price of $166 on Akko's website, you're getting an all aluminium chassis, gasket mounted, hot swappable support, and of course the different Akko switch options with some spares thrown in. That's a lot of premium features in one package, and if you want a clean looking, modern, mod friendly keyboard that's 75% ready to use out of the box, I think this is a great pick and you can't go wrong. I would say if you are interested in buying this keyboard from Akko, do wait on their Halloween sale that's going live on Monday, the 27th of October, which will give you 15% off. Or if you want it towards Christmas, I believe they have a Black Friday sale starting November 10th that will give you 20% off. I've left all the links in the description. Let me know what you think of this board and if you're picking one up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.